Hi, I'm Elizabeth. I'm a 45-year-old pro makeup artist, and one of the main things I find that ages us is our dull skin. And so because of that, I typically don't like to use a lot of powder. However, I do love this pressed powder with this powder brush that is super pressed. Now watch this. I bend down, you can see that little bag. I put this in slow motion so you can see. I'm lightly pressing this super light powder right into my skin, and look at that small bag just totally disappear. Is that not amazing? I mean, just crazy. Now let's do the other side. So I'm keeping my cheeks more youthful without heavily powdering them, because that's going to help me look more dewy and youthful. I'm also going to do my T-zone. This powder does brighten just a tad as well, so I do like to put it under my eyes and in my T-zone. And there you go, completely unfiltered. Zooming in, it's not caked on or anything. Looks great. The link for this is in my bio. You can get this on sale for $42 under the Collections tab in the Purchase Makeup link. Message me with questions.